Hello everyone, welcome to Ocean Updates channel. Today, August 17th, 2024, Saturday. This video is going to provide you the latest update and warning forecasts regarding Category 2 Hurricane Ernest that evolved on August 12th, 2024 from a tropical storm. Ernesto is expected to bring a prolonged period of strong winds and storm surge on Bermuda through Saturday night. A hurricane warning is in effect for the island. Heavy rainfall associated with Ernesto is expected to impact Bermuda through Saturday and will likely result in considerable life-threatening flash flooding, especially in low-lying areas on the island. Even though Ernesto is forecast to remain well offshore the U.S. East Coast, swells generated by the hurricane are expected to affect the area through the weekend. Beach-goers should be aware of a significant risk of life-threatening surf and rip currents, and stay out of the water if advised by lifeguards. Surf and rip currents are also possible on the Bahamas, Bermuda, and Atlantic Canada during the next few days. Now, the Ernesto is very near Bermuda. The island has been in the northern rain bands since this afternoon, August 16th, and the eye wall is closing in on the island as seen in Bermuda's Doppler radar images. So far, tropical storm force winds with gusts to hurricane force have been observed on Bermuda, and the strongest winds will likely occur there during the next several hours. The Air Force hurricane hunters have been investigating Ernesto this evening and found that the minimum pressure has been steady around 969 MB. A blend of the latest flight level and SFMR winds support an initial intensity of about 90 miles per hour, 80 knots. Recent microwave images indicate that the vortex is tilted to the east-northeast with height due to about 25 miles per hour, 20 knots, of west-southwesterly vertical wind shear. Ernesto is still moving northeastward at 15 miles per hour, 11 knots. However, the hurricane is expected to slow down soon as the trough off Atlantic Canada continues to lift out. The expected slower motion and Ernesto's large size will cause a long duration of impacts through Saturday night on Bermuda. After the hurricane pulls away from Bermuda, another trough is forecast to push off the U.S. East Coast. This feature should cause the cyclone to accelerate northeastward later in the weekend and early next week, taking Ernesto near Newfoundland Monday night. The NHC track forecast is a little slower than the previous one to come into better agreement with the latest models. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular hurricane, cyclone, and typhoon news. Thanks a lot.